Okay, so this little KV-1320 Mark 1. I've had it for some time. I've been doing a load of work on it. It's in fantastic cosmetic condition, but I've been really struggling with it. And the reason I've got the lights down is because I've got an interesting fault now. It's actually starting to come to life, but not in the way you think. So at the moment I've got the power off. The power off's over there. Power off is here. So if I just basically go and turn it on. There we go. Right. If you look at the screen carefully and give it a second, can you see 3 guns? I haven't even turned it on. Turn it on. Goes away. I can't see any raster. I can't see anything whatsoever. Okay. Yeah, there's nothing at all. Turn it off. And that will stay on. As long as that power switch is on, that will stay on. I know that the heaters are run on these tubes, even regardless of the actual power. Turn the power off. There we go. I've not come across this one. This is a new one on me. And I've seen a bit of Trinitron action in my time. So, okay, I'm going to do it again. So turn it back on. There we are, look, as you can see. The red, green and the blue is not visible, but the red and the green are. Seems to be getting... Now we've got field collapse. So the horizontal isn't running. Why would it keep on doing that? Why? And it'll just stay there. Let's turn the picture down. No, it's gone. No. Interesting, eh? Right. Let's just turn that off so I don't burn a spot in the phosphor. I don't know what this is now. Certainly there's no the horizontal isn't running. The horizontal transistor is probably failed, but I've checked everything. Every single Sony transistor, like power transistor, I've checked all of them and they're fine. I've even taken them out and checked. So don't know. There's no audio as well. There's no sound, so there's no. It could be the main one of the main voltages is low. I don't know. Right. Well, keep on trying.